my sweet children. I love you so much.
Daddy, wait a minute. We're really hungry. Please feed us.
Again? All right, I'll be back in a moment.
Very well done, brothers. Oh my gosh, what's that?
Your time has come to its end.
No, please don't hurt us.
You'll be my dinner.
Too young to die. Where's Daddy?
Enjoy your last breath, kids. What? Someone's
Today will be the day to eat delicious things without feeling guilty at all.
Curses! I'll have to delay the inevitable.
I'm back, kids. What's wrong?
Daddy, come and save us, please.
Children, are you all right? Oh, thank God.
Wow.
Oh, goodness. I'm glad you're okay. Wow.
Hey, Daddy, it's time to play. Yay!
To play? All right, I hope you're ready.
Ready, Daddy! Brother! That was really bad. Hey! This! Oh, you deserved it. Yeah, the ball will finally be mine. Daddy!
What's wrong?
There's a spider monster in that room!
Don't worry, you'll be fine, son.
Daddy! She's right behind you! Watch out now!
Are you sure? I think it may be time to sleep.
We need a bath first!
Oh, children!
We're coming, Daddy! Taking a shower is always fun! Isn't that right, Dad? Wait! Too hard!
Better that way. Where's the other one? Come here, champion!
Daddy's calling! As far as possible from you!
Come here and be quiet.
Nice and clean. Where's their brother? Wait here, kids. So weird. Oh, Junior, where are you?
That bouncing ball didn't even notice me.
Junior, answer me! Is this what I think it is? No way! My son's in danger! What? I'm coming! Sweetie, have you seen your brother?
That scaring spider monster took him! Oops, I'm not feeling good.
Hold on, princess! I got something for you! Perfect for cases like this! Princess, where did you go? What? My princess, let her go! This place is absolutely scary. Where are my children supposed to be in this big house? I have to hurry anyway. What? Hello? Who's there? Wait a sec. Oh my kids!
Daddy, you have to help us! We're scared!
I'll take care of you! Just let me turn this apart! Jeez! I'm glad you're alive! Ah! Wait!
Leave my food alone, Pooh.
Dad, I had a bad dream! What's happening?
You'll be the first in my dinner.
What do you mean?
Ready to be served, boy. At last, dinner's ready.
My children! What can I do to save them? Awesome! Might be dangerous, but I have to do it!
Ouch! Who dares interrupt me?
It's me, your worst nightmare, insecticide!
What did you say? I'll kill you!
Bring it